Okay, see here. Second main I am doing it. Second main, again there are three sums. Out of which all the three are same, almost same, similar. Here only integer is given. Here minus, plus, again minus, something like this is given. But you have to simplify this plus into minus, write down minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Again the same sum like third one it is. Sorry, second sum. Here 10 integer 1 by 2 means 10 to the 20, 21 by 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2. Again do the same way. But however, these two I will do. The second one you have to do. Sorry. Okay, see here. The first one, solution. What the title says here? Sum. Again, you have to find the sum. That means Sn you have to find it. So what is A here? A is 7. And what is this? You have to take it as An or L is equal to 84. Then D value you have to find it out. D. See here, you should not take 14 minus 7. 10 means 10 into 2, 20, plus 1, 21 by 2, minus 7. Then we have to find the D. So D we have to find it out. And what to find here? Sn. Here they are not given up to, like how they have given in the first main. Up to 100. That means directly as 100 we had written it. But here you see, Sn means n we don't know. Even we have to find what is n. We have to find what is n also. Right? Okay, see here. Kaveri, look over here. See what is this? N is question mark. Okay, A is 7. Now what we have to do is apply An formula. An is equal to, first you have to find n. A plus n minus 1. D also we don't know. So that means we have to find first D. D is equal to, this is nothing but 10 integer 1 by 2 minus 7. So D is equal to 21 by 2. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Minus 7 by 1. That means 2 is LCM. 2, 1 2s are and 2 1s are. So D is equal to 21 minus 14 divided by 2. So D is equal to, see here, 21 minus 14. 7. So this is 7 by 2. So D value is 7 by 2. Now here D we know, N we have to find out, then later on Sn we have to find out. Okay, now using An formula. An is equal to, what is An formula? A plus n minus 1 D. An is how much? 84. One more formula is there. Huh? You refer back to my first video, list of formulas, when last term is given, which one you have to find out. That also we can use it. Okay, see here, A is how much? 7. Plus N, we don't know. D is 7 by 2. We have to go on simplifying this. 84. See, this 7, 7 don't cancel. This 7 you have to transpose. 84 minus 7 is equal to, this is C. You have to multiply. 7 into n is 7n by 2. 7 into 1 is 7 by 2. That means it is 7n by 2. Or you can even change this also. Right. That is the easiest method. So what we do here, 7 n minus 1. Keep this as it is for first step. 84. So 4 has 1, 3 has 1. That means 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2 it is. This you transpose to left hand side. What becomes left hand side when you transpose this? This will reverse. 2 will go up, 7 will come down. That means 7 will be the denominator. So 7 into 2 divided by 7, this 2 will go up, is equal to n minus 1. Right. So 7 ones are 7 11s are 11 twos are 22. This minus 1 this side. That means 22 plus 1 is n. So what is your n value? N is equal to 23. Right. So you came to know what is n. Now you have to use what? Sn formula. N we know, A we know, and D also we know. You go for Sn formula. So what is it? N means it is now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Right. So S n means 23. S 23 is equal to 23 by 2. 2 into 7. Right. 7 plus 23 minus 1 d is 7 by 2. Bracket complete. Okay, now here I will solve this first, then rub this, go for next one. So 23, yes 23 is equal to, this is continuance, 23 by 2, right, into bracket 14, 7 to some 14, minus, sorry, plus 23 minus 1 is 22. So plus 22 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 11s are, you can cancel. Bracket. Yes, 23 is equal to 23 by 2. Check the answer. Meanwhile, this is 14 plus 7 by, not 7 by, only 7 is there now. 7 11s are 77. So no, nothing is there in the denominator. Now here, yes, 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into 77 plus 10 is 87. 87 plus 4 is 91. No cancellation. That means you have to multiply and keep it. 9 1 into 23. So this is 2093 divided by 2. This one is your answer. Check the answer, I told you already. 2093 divided by 2 is your Sn. So what I do now, I'll rub this and go for the third one. Okay? Okay, see here. I've rubbed this first main. Now this is furtherance is what? I have asked you to check the answer. This also is okay, correct. But in textbook they have given 1046 1 by 2. You divide this 2093 by 2. That means it is 2 tens are 20, 2 fours are 8, 1 remain 13, 2 6 are 12. So this is what is 1 by 2. Check this. 2 tens are 20. Bring it down. 2 fours are 8. 1. Bring it down. 2 6 are 12. So this is what is your remainder. Remainder 1. This is a whole integer. That means it is 1046. Next answer is 1046. Always whatever the answer you have got it. This is your answer, isn't it? Quotient is your answer. And this is your divisor. And this is your dividend. And this is your remainder. So how to convert this into a fraction? This is what is a integer, whole number and the fraction combined together. This is a mixed one, mixed fraction we call it as. So 1046, that means quotient first you have to write, then remainder you have to write. What is remainder is 1. Then divided by you have to write what is the divisor, that means this. So both the answers are correct, this and this. Don't say that sir, answer is wrong. You divide it, you get the same one. Okay, what I go for? Third one now. So third one. Okay. What the third one say? I'll repeat this. Minus 5. Minus 5. This you have to multiply. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 8. Minus 11. And so on. then minus 30, 230. Minus 230, this is plus into minus is minus. Then we have to find the sum. So what is here? A. What to find here? A is minus 5. D is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5. This minus is formula wise. This is a negative integer. Now this is D. So what is it? Or you can just find it below. Minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. So what is your answer? Minus 3. D answer is, D value is minus 3. Right. So what to find here? N also we have to find first. Then Sn we have to find. Same like the first one. Okay. Now let's go for N. To find N. Then in this case what is An? Here An is equal to minus 230. So these are what the given things. Okay, An is equal to, what is An is equal to? A plus n minus 1 D. An is minus 230, right? Is equal to A is minus 5 plus n we don't know. D is minus 3. We are calculating it. So minus 230, this minus you transpose, it becomes plus 5 is equal to, keep this as it is, or you can even simplify. So here 3n, or keep it as it is, n minus 1 into minus 3 the next step. Here it is minus 235. Bring this down, minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Now here possible cancellation. 3 7s are 21. No, not possible, isn't it? Send this. Further 235 minus when you send here, it became plus. This will be divided by minus 3. Ignore this because both are minus here. Upon 1 is equal to n. So next one is what? Shall I rub this? I'll rub this. Okay, see here. Minus 235. 235 how it is? Wrong here. Minus 225. Because 230 minus, see greater number is having minus n, so minus n. 230 minus 5 is 225. Now cancellation is possible. 3 7s are 21, 1 remain, 3 5s are. That means 75. Bring this minus 1 to this side, which is plus n. So n is equal to 76. We know n. Now we'll go for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Yes, n means 76. That means yes, 76 is equal to 76 upon 2, 2 into, what is a value? A is 5, minus 5. Minus 5 plus of 76 minus 1, and what is d value? D is minus 3. This is minus 3. So S76 is equal to, cancellation if possible, do it. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are. That means it is 38. Into bracket minus into plus is minus 10 plus 76 minus 1 is 75, but it is plus into minus, final answer is minus 75 into 3. So here 75 into 3, 225. That means it is minus 225. Both are minus, add into minus 235 again. 25 plus, both are minus, add into minus n. Now you have to multiply. That means it is 235 into 38. Check the answer. 89 minus 8930. This is your answer, right? So second main is over. The balance one sum you have to do. That is second sum. First I have done and this is third I have done. See here. This may be for 2 mark sum. First one they will give 1 mark. That is for finding out the D. The another one is N, 1 more mark, and final answer here 1 more mark. Maybe 2 to 3 marks. Sum it is. If 3 marks, this is how they will split the mark. Your final answer this and this. Understood? Steps: first find D, second step find N, third step find S76 or SM. Okay, I will go for now third main.